5 proven rules to lose weight. There are a lot of questions that come up when you decide to start losing weight. Should you cut carbs or should you eat less fat? Can you eat chocolates or not? Should you do more cardio or more strength training? It's a lot and it can be a little overwhelming at the starting of your weight loss journey. Here are 5 simple tricks that can be added to any diet to help when you're feeling bloated or stuck or just you want to feel better. Implement these basic weight loss rules at the same time unless you find it to implement them all at once. Try one on for a size or adapt them all. These small changes can jumpstart your weight loss. Eat meals, not snacks. We have long been told to eat frequently in small amounts to level blood sugar levels. But a new study found those who ate fewer large meals weight loss. How so? You burn more calories processing a large meals than a lot of little ones. Stick to nourishing breakfast, lunch and a small dinner. Sweat a little less. In a study comparing groups who ran or cycled for 30 minutes versus 60 minutes a day, the half-hour group dropped 33% more weight and spent 20% more time being active in the later days. Since we are programmed to conserve calories when we burn lots of them through exercise, our body may hold them later by moving less and eating more. Cap your cardio at 30 minutes 4 times a week. Or if you love a longer workout, keep moving later in the day to ensure your metabolism hums. Go for whole grains. People who eat whole grains tend to be slimmer than those who don't. Why? These study crops requires extra energy to break down. Their fiber also traps some of their calories, excreting them out of your body before they can be stored away as fat. Shoot for several servings a day and sneak whole grains into snacks and desserts, says Amin Gorin, RD, a nutritionist in New York. Adds oat into the smoothies or put a healthier spin or rice pudding by swapping into brown rice for white. 4. Sleep in a cool room. Human carries 2 types of body fat, white which stores energy and brown which burns it. Ambient temperature can influence which wins. Researchers had volunteers spend 1 month sleeping in a 75 degrees room and another in one set to 66 degrees. After 30 days of chewing in a chiller quarters, their brown fat was 42% more active and their metabolism was 10% faster. So set that term to 66. 5. Don't clean your plate. That means you are eating with your eyes rather than listening to your body's statistic clues. Says Aaron Paulsky-Wade, RD, author of The Belly Fat Diet for Dummies. You must always end up eating more than your body needs. Forgo the last 10% of each meal by leaving a few bites on your plate. Nutritionists estimate this trims almost 20 calories a day, keeping you to lose 10 pounds in 6 months.